Okay, how do you get your own TV show? I've had my own TV show on Bloomberg TV, which for finance, that's the #1 channel. I've been co-hosting on CNBC. I do a regular slot on BBC on the newspaper review, which goes out to 200 million people. How do you get your own TV slot? First, skill, ask, and have expertise. So let me explain all of those things. Right, first of all, you've got to be an expert in your field, right? One way or another. For me, it was because I was an author. If you're not an expert, hey, why the heck should they even do it? Secondly, ask. You've got to go out to the producers or the production companies. Everything's done through production companies now. Speak to the production companies, show them a show reel. Easy to do nowadays. You guys know how to do it. You can stick it on YouTube. Far harder in my day. And I'm afraid there's a thing called luck. In my case, I'm afraid it was all luck. What had happened is I'd written the book, got interviewed on CNN, and the global head of TV at Bloomberg happened to see it and said, would you like your own show? Because I was an expert in my field. Remove luck by working hard, by reaching out and asking production companies instead and show them your show reel. If you don't go out there, they're not going to discover you on the internet. Too much crap and noise out there. Okay?